Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to Google Photo backup and restore for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Google Photos application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Google Photos here, and after that you can click the symbol of the upper of the right corner, and that you can see there is a have the waiting for Wi-Fi here. You can click on, and then you can click on photo to back up. Click on the photo, and then the next you can click the symbol of the backup in the upper of the right corner. Click on, and it's uploading now to back up your photos. Okay, as you can see, there is half symbol is your photos is a backup here. It's a very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to Google Photos backup and restore for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.